Well, good day, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino food review. Today you have the rhino and mini rhinos here.
Fingers, not mini rhino.
And today we have a Voortmans bakery wafer cookie. This is orange cream wafers. I don't know about you, buddy. Do you like creamsicles?
What even are they?
Creamsicles are like a popsicle, but they're an orange ice cream type of thing with vanilla inside.
I think I like them. I think I had it before.
See, I hate them. So I think I'm going to hate these because these sound like they're going to be creamsicles. Oh, and they smell just like a creamsicle.
Yeah, I had them before and I liked them a little.
You are not my son.
Yes, I am. Oh.
Oh. Oh, what?
No.
Did you just... I'm not even... Yeah.
Oh, no. I'll eat this one first. I'll give it a 6.5.
We'll give it a 2. A 2. This is gross. It does taste exactly like it smells. It tastes like a creamsicle. It's gross. But I'm going to eat another. 2. I just hate creamsicles. I bought it because it's a new flavor. Yep, I don't like it. Bye. Bye.
Bye.